Hi traders, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex, and I'm bringing you a short introductory video to my new trade button trade management trading tool for the MT4 platform. And in this video I'm going to introduce you to my trade button and the special features and also my currency strength meter, because I have a pro currency strength meter template that you can purchase for a reduced price and receive the trade button and the currency strength meter and the various indicators in this trading template for the MT4 trading platform. So first I want to introduce you to the trade button, and it's a all-in-one, one-click buy or sell or close. The potential buyer or sell will place pending orders for you. It'll place your trade on your chart with a stop loss and a take profit, and the take profit will be placed at twice the distance from the stop loss, so that your risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2. That means that your reward or your take profit will be double that of your stop loss or your risk. And inside of the trade button itself are lots of set files that I've created to get you started. There are set files for quick scalp, day trade, swing trade, and I also have created several set files for trading CFDs, including gold. The trade button and the currency strength meter can be used with any trading system. I'm using them with my trading systems because that's what I trade with, but you can use these with any trading system that you like. So I'm going to flip through several charts and just show you really quickly how you can use the trade button and the currency strength meter. So here's the Euro USD. All of these charts will be 15 minutes. Here's the currency strength meter, and it's movable on your chart, so you can move it up or down or wherever you like. The trade button is also movable on your chart. This is my neon breakout, and I'm showing you the currency strength meter and the trade button on the chart. Here's the USD JPY, showing you my template for the green tomatoes for newbies. This is a great trading template for newbies, and in the PDF I give you training videos for everything for starting out and being an absolute newbie to Forex trading and the MT4 platform. Here's a gold chart using my neon breakout, and this is a Japan index, which is a CFD, and it's great for trading in Tokyo session. And here's the DAX symbol, CFD, for European traders who like to trade the DAX. For US traders, this is the dollar index. It moved very well. This is non-farm payroll on Friday. This is the US 30 index. This is the West Texas crude, which really can make you a lot of money, and it works very well for mostly the entire day in the US session. Here's the US 500, which is the S&P 500 CFD, and this is the US Tech, which is the NASDAQ CFD, trading with my advanced neon breakout with key levels. This one also has different key levels, and this has different key levels. So that's my trade button, which is a combination of a trade placement and trade management button, and it has a trailing stop feature inside, and it will also, depending on the set file that you choose, it will move your original stop loss to break even, book half of your lot size, and then trail after that. And depending on the set file that you've chosen, then it can actually stop you out automatically, so it can be a set and forget type of trading system. The currency strength meter we use for choosing pairs to trade. We want to pair up a strong currency with a weak currency, and if you buy the Pro Currency Strength Meter template, or if you buy the trade button separately or the currency strength meter separately, you receive PDFs with the training videos inside the PDF. So if you're interested in any of these things, including some of my other trading systems, just click the link in the description box below the video and register to get more information, and then you'll be sent to a website which has more videos, more introductory videos, and if you purchase, you'll receive a PDF with all the training videos. And I do provide excellent customer support should you purchase. So thanks very much for taking your time to watch the video, and have a great trading day.